Hi there, I'm here to tell you about RAG chatbots, most specifically, the Kapa.ai chatbot. What is a RAG chatbot? RAG stands for Retrieval Augmented Generation. So in this context, it's a chatbot that combines powerful capabilities of AI, but instead of drawing on a generic database or generic LLM, it's a database that's grounded in knowledge that's very specific to data that you provide it. So think of it like a closed chatbot or a closed LLM, if you will, if that helps. And it generates accurate contextual responses using that knowledge that you specifically trained it on. Okay, so unlike generic AI, like you're probably used to for most of your engagements with AI, a RAG chatbot grounds responses in your organization's actual information, dramatically reducing hallucinations and inaccuracies. So why should you care? Well, you should care because the business impact is so compelling. We've seen ticket deflection rates as high as 40%. So that means instead of opening a ticket, waiting for an agent to respond to it, they get their answer from the RAG chatbot, and that counts as a ticket deflection. So we've seen rates as high as 40%. 85% agent efficiency with AI-assisted workflows, and 24/7 support coverage, continuous coverage, and consistent, accurate answers with the RAG chatbot from Kapa. Kapa's chatbot can transform customer experience for your customers. It provides instant, accurate answers, so nobody has to wait anymore for email responses, right? Or wait on hold on the telephone if you're still doing telephone support. Support quality doesn't vary depending on time of day or where the sun is around the earth. And your clients engage with the RAG chatbot in natural conversation, just like they're talking or typing to a real person. Let's take a look at Ashby's for an example. I'm going to just cut to the chase here with Ashby. Ashby implemented the Kapa chatbot and maintained exceptional customer satisfaction while scaling support capacity by 4x without adding headcount. Product velocity increased by 35% because developers were freed from support duties. We're going to talk a little bit more about that in a second, about what your developers really should be working on. And I'll tell you what it ain't. They shouldn't be working on do-it-yourself chatbot systems. All right, who stands to benefit most from RAG chatbots? So any SaaS company that has complex products with lots of technical documentation and high volume support needs. This is a prime target for a Kapa RAG chatbot. Knowledge-intensive businesses like financial services, healthcare, legal firms that have lots of proprietary data, self-sourced information that require consistent, accurate information delivery while maintaining compliance. Third category, global support operations. Companies that need to provide consistent support across time zones and languages without proportional team scaling. The ideal Kapa customer has valuable institutional knowledge that needs to be accessible, consistent, and scalable across all customer interactions. Okay, so I promised I'd get to this. If your engineers are building some kind of in-house solution, they need to stop. It's not cost effective. You're better to buy the Kapa solution. Let's look at some of the hidden costs. Engineering resources. We've seen companies that try to do this, 6 to 12 months of specialized AI engineering time, ranging anywhere from $300K to $600K. And even once it's built, you need ongoing maintenance, 1 to 2 FTEs for model tuning, knowledge integration, and performance monitoring. That's not even to mention the infrastructure costs like vector database housing, API usage, security compliance implementation. And then, most importantly, when your valuable engineers are working on maintaining your in-house chatbot, they are not working on your product and delivering value to your customers. So that's a hidden opportunity cost. You just can't afford to build in-house. On the other hand, you look at Kapa, the product's ready. You can implement in weeks instead of months with pre-built connectors. Benefit from RAG-specific expertise that Kapa brings. It's enterprise ready, it's SOC 2 compliant, and have your engineers focus on your product. Don't have them on side projects that aren't serving your customers directly with feature add, product value add. We've seen that developing RAG systems in-house typically costs 5 to 10 times more than purchasing a specialized solution with significantly longer time to value. Don't build in-house. All right, we hinted a little bit that on the previous slide. Seamless deployment and integration. Kapa.ai has integrations with Slack, Zendesk, Intercom, allowing you to connect your knowledge with all of your sources. Easy to customize and train your RAG chatbot to your brand voice, your knowledge domains, your response parameters. Everything you need to make this highly personalized to your business, you can deploy anywhere. Embed it on your product, embed it in your website, put it in Slack, Microsoft Teams, or support platforms with minimal effort. Most Kappa implementations go live within 2 to 4 weeks and start to see an ROI visible within the first month of deployment. More complex deployments, complex security integrations, typically take 4 to 8 weeks. Still, it's a bargain compared to trying to build it yourself. All right, what next, right? Act now. Schedule a demo with us to see Kapa.ai in action, right? Customer expectations for support are always changing, and organizations that implement AI-powered support now will gain competitive advantage through superior customer experience. You're going to protect your margins by containing support costs as you scale, and you're going to free valuable technical expertise to work on high-value activities like improving and building out your product. So contact us for a demo today.